Our goal is to make sure that we get that artist or that comedian or whoever it may be to that venue safely. Our main challenges are vehicle maintenance and vehicle reliability. Just being able to predict when the vehicle is due for maintenance to where you're not out in the middle of nowhere and you have a breakdown.
I'm in charge of all things safety, drivers and coaches. So I do check in with Motive on a daily basis, checking for logs and for their hours of service. I like the fact that we can go in and tweak them to work for our fleet versus a trucking fleet or a seated coach fleet.
I'm a firm believer in the cameras. So we know exactly what the driver's doing at any time. We can pull it up and look at it. The dash cam footage really helped with the police, and it also helps us in litigation fees. Our vehicles become more reliable when we're able to predict maintenance.
Without this type of platform, I think it would be almost impossible to track how our drivers are driving and how safe they are out on the road. It saves a lot of time for me, and it also shows drivers how they're driving and saves a lot of people out on the road from accidents and things like that.